Dark of All Trades presents Professor Dark Explains Logical Fallacies. The Equivocation Fallacy. This fallacy occurs when a word or term with multiple different meanings is used in two or more different senses in an argument. Some examples. 1. Premise 1. Trees have branches. Premise 2. My bank has branches. Premise 3. Therefore, my bank is a tree. This is a clear example where the term branch is used to mean, in premise 1, a part of a tree which grows out from the trunk or from a bough. In premise 2, a division or office of a large business or organization. 2. Evolution is just a theory. In this case, the definition of theory in a colloquial sense means a contemplation or speculation, a hypothesis, while the term theory in a scientific sense means a coherent group of tested general propositions commonly regarded as correct that can be used as principles of explanation and prediction for a class of phenomena. 3. Premise 1. Dark and light are opposites. Premise 2. All feathers are light. Premise 3. Therefore, there are no dark feathers. In this case, the term light is in question. In premise 1, it means not dark, intense, or swarthy in color or coloring. In premise 2, it means not heavy. 4. Premise 1. Professor Dark has faith in science. Premise 2. Christian apologists have faith in their God. Premise 3. Therefore, both Professor Dark and Christian apologists have faith. In this case, the term faith is in question. The definitions are, in premise 1, confidence or trust in a person or thing based on demonstrable evidence. Premise 2, belief in the existence of something when sufficient reasoning is not available. An example from Apologetics. There's a teleological argument referring to how the universe operates. It goes, Premise 1, laws require a lawgiver. Premise 2, natural laws exist. Premise 3, therefore a natural lawgiver must exist. In this case, the term law is in question. In premise 1, it means the system of rules which a particular country or community recognizes as regulating the actions of its members and which it may enforce by the imposition of penalties. In premise 2, it means a statement of fact, deduced from observation, to the effect that a particular natural or scientific phenomenon always occurs if certain conditions are present. The problem here is that the laws of a country are prescriptive, while the natural laws are descriptive. Dealing with the equivocation fallacy. The easiest way to deal with this fallacy is to have the person define the ambiguous term. If you don't understand what a person means when they say something, it is okay to ask for clarification. The goal of a conversation should be to gain an understanding of the other person's message. Don't assume dishonesty. Explain the difference in meaning between the different instances of the term in question. When is it okay to commit this fallacy? Equivocation is excellent for use when being deliberately humorous. People tend to love puns and wordplay. Consider the classic Abbott and Costello skit, Who's on First? Also, Groucho Marx used plenty of equivocating during this quip. One morning I shot an elephant in my pajamas. How it got in my pajamas, I don't know. Any questions?